Welcome to AMS Talks. I'm your special guest host, Nadia Abboud, and today I'm joined by Rick Bacon, CEO of Aquametrology Systems, to discuss critical chemical supply chain risk and explore possible solutions to mitigate those risks in the water sector. We've seen significant disruptions to the supply, transportation, and availability of water treatment chemicals in recent years. And before we delve a little bit more into the specific implications of that to the water sector, Rick, I thought it would be good to give our viewers a little bit more context about what's going on in the chemical sector in general. What can you tell us?
Thanks, Nadia. Well, the chemical sector, like a lot of other sectors, has been exposed to a lot of cost pressure, challenges of passing those costs through to their end consumers, and general pressure on becoming more environmentally compliant, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and so on. And that's led to a lot of consolidation, which makes sense. But consolidation implies, amongst other things, consolidation closing a treatment plant, chemical plants producing chemicals. And that has a number of serious implications for the customers. Maybe good for the shareholders of chemical companies, but the people that have not been considered are their end-use customers, particularly the water industry.
So what are the specific implications, if you could share with us some of them?
Well, we've seen a lot of evidence of that. Consolidation has meant that there are fewer plants producing any given chemical. So when blizzards in Texas knock out a chlorine plant, or a plant blows up supplying permanganate, and it's the only plant now in the US providing those chemicals, that's problematic. Railway fails, more supply disruption. So the consolidation and concentration in fewer plants across the country has left the industry very exposed to those causes of supply chain disruption.
So what is it that AMS has in terms of a technology solution that enables utilities to mitigate that risk?
So we've looked at that problem and said the way of breaking the dependence is actually the water utilities on these sort of concentrated industry is to generate the chemicals on site, so and on demand. So they're no longer dependent on the efficiency of the railway system or the weather in Texas or health and safety of running a chemical treatment plant. So by producing those reagents on site, they regain control of their supply chain. And it's a very effective way of an insurance policy, if you like, against those unpredictable events that have been impacting the industry very dramatically in the last few years.
Oh, absolutely, Rick. Well, thank you. It sounds like a very innovative approach to address what sounds like a systemic risk to all water and wastewater utilities. I wish you great success.
Thank you so much.